Wow, this store is really busy today.
It is. I guess everyone had the same idea we did.
Let's make sure we get everything on our list.
Good idea. What should we pick up first?
We need some fruits and vegetables.
The produce section is right over there.
Great. Let's get some apples, bananas, and oranges.
How many bananas do you want?
Let's get a bunch. I eat one almost every morning.
Sounds good. What about vegetables?
We need tomatoes, onions, carrots, and lettuce.
These tomatoes look fresh.
They do. Let's take a few.
What's next on the list?
Milk, eggs, and bread.
The dairy section is this way.
Perfect. Can you grab a carton of milk?
Sure. Do we need anything else for breakfast?
Maybe some yogurt.
Good idea. I'll put a few in the cart.
Thanks. Oh, and we're almost out of coffee.
I can't believe we forgot that.
That would have been a disaster tomorrow morning.
Definitely. Let's grab a bag before we leave.
We should also get something for dinner tonight.
How about pasta?
Sounds delicious.
Then we'll need pasta, tomato sauce, and some cheese.
Perfect. I think we're almost done.
Let's check the list one more time.
Looks like we got everything.
Great. Let's head to the checkout.
Finally. I'm getting hungry just looking at all this food.
Me too. Let's go home and start cooking.
Wow.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why?
I was thinking about taking a short trip somewhere.
That sounds exciting. Where were you thinking?
Maybe the beach or the mountains.
I'd choose the mountains.
Really? I thought you'd say the beach.
Beaches are great, but I love hiking.
Me too. I could use some fresh air.
How far is the hiking area?
About 2 hours away by car.
That's not bad at all.
We could leave early Saturday morning.
Sounds perfect.
I'll bring sandwiches and snacks.
And I'll bring drinks.
Looks like we have a plan.
What should we make for dinner tonight?
How about pasta?
That sounds delicious. Let's check if we have everything we need. We have pasta, tomatoes, cheese, and olive oil. Great. Do we have garlic? Yes. I saw some in the kitchen earlier. Perfect.
I'll start boiling the water.
I'll prepare the sauce.
Teamwork.
makes cooking much easier.
And much faster.
Exactly.
The sauce smells really good already.
That's a good sign.
Hopefully, it tastes even better than it smells.
I'm confident it will.
Dinner should be ready in about 15 minutes.
Good. Because I'm starving.
What?
Hey, I haven't seen you here in a while.
I know. Work has been keeping me busy.
It happens. At least you're back now.
I'm trying to get back into a routine.
What are you working on today?
Mostly cardio and a little strength training.
That's a good balance.
What about you?
I'm focusing on weight training today.
I wish I enjoyed lifting weights more.
I felt the same way when I started.
Really?
Absolutely. It takes time to get used to it.
That's encouraging.
The most important thing is consistency.
You're right.
Small improvements every week make a huge difference.
Thanks. That's motivating. At the dog park.
Hi there. Your dog is so friendly.
Thanks. This is Sam. He loves meeting new dogs.
He's adorable. Mine is Adam.
Hi, Adam. He's really cute, too. How old is he?
He's 3 years old. What about Sam?
Sam just turned 2 last month.
Oh, nice. Do you bring him here every day?
Pretty much. We usually come in the morning, and sometimes again in the evening.
That sounds nice. I bring Adam here after work. Does he always have this much energy?
Yes, especially in the evening. He gets excited as soon as he sees his leash. Sam is the same. He starts barking when I say park.
That's so cute. How long do you usually stay here?
Around 30 minutes. Sometimes longer if he's having fun.
Same here. It's a good way for them to exercise.
Definitely.
And it's nice for us too. True. It's always fun meeting other dog owners. Exactly.
At setting up for the day.
Morning. You're here early today.
Yes. I wanted to open up before everyone arrived.
Good idea. I'll start setting up the tables and chairs. Perfect. Can you move those 2 chairs near the window? Sure. Do you want the big table in the middle?
Yes.
I think that works better for the team meeting later. All right. I'll wipe the tables too. Thanks. I'll turn on the lights and open the windows. Great. Oh, should we make coffee now? Definitely. I need coffee before I do anything else. Same here. Where's the coffee bag? It's in the cabinet above the sink. Found it. How many cups should I make? Maybe 6. A few people always grab coffee as soon as they arrive. True. I'll start the coffee machine. Thanks. I'll put out the mugs and some sugar packets. Perfect. Everything should be ready in a few minutes. Great. We're off to a good start today.